Justice Mary Yanzu, in her ruling, said no rule binds the court to stay proceedings merely because an appeal has been filed against its decision. She said the power of the court to stay proceedings is discretionary and that is not to be exercised arbitrarily and capriciously, but in accordance with due process. Justice Mary Yanzu also held the view that the discretion to stay proceedings must only be exercised in exceptional circumstances where irreparable damages would occur and the appeal would be rendered nugatory on a party if the proceedings are not stayed. Per the court's reasoning, although an accused person has the right to file an appeal against the decision of a court, appealing that decision should not automatically operate as a stay of proceedings. The trial judge said she was unable to agree with the submission that the appeal would be rendered nugatory if the proceedings are not stayed, as it does not amount to special circumstances for which a stay ought to be granted. The court also held that it did not see how the success of the appeal would be rendered nugatory by the application. Justice Mary Yanzu said the application for variation was to adjourn the trial beyond the by-election to allow the accused time to campaign. In relation to comments made by the president outside of the court about Mr. James Jachi Quayson, the court is not interested in those comments but only considered issues before it and the evidence led. Justice Yanzu consequently denied the application and dismissed same as filed. The Director of Legal Affairs of the NDC